Welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about lazy stored property in Swift. Today I am going to discuss about lazy stored property in Swift. A lazy stored property is a property. A lazy stored property is a property whose initial value is not calculated until the first time it's used. Until the first time it's used. You indicated you indicate a lazy stored property by return the lazy modifier before its declaration. So a lazy stored property by return the lazy modifier before declaration itself. So we can create a class, we can create an example and consider of one minus and lazy upon its first access lazy get executed and calculated. We can create a class, we can create a class student which have a student is name var name which is type of string, and class we need to initializers init class need to initializers name which is type of string, self this is the same student class, self is say student class, name equal to name. We have complete the initializers and class. We can class's name is print. We can create a print statement. This is the name and object filling the name, and this is print the name. We can slash n and new value. Value is new value. We can create another class. We can use of lazy another class. Create class library library which have a name var name which is type of string and var capacity of a student. We can one time is capacity of a student, capacity which is type of integer, and we can create initializers of library class. Initializers we need to class initializers, class need to initializer. So name which is type of string and capacity which is type of capacity, and self dot name equal to name and self dot capacity. Self is the same library class dot capacity equal to self dot capacity to capacity. We can library class is complete. We can library class is complete. We can call another student class object call. And we can create a print statement name and slash n. So var we can calling another var another object student which is type of array of student equal to array of student. We can hello and this is a Swift student name is Swift. We can calling this, we can create a library object, library call. We can directly call of a student, some of student use. We can create object of library lib var lib equal to library name is Stanford and count is 2000 student. We can run. So this is a hello Swift. We can calling another object is directly called. We can use of lazy. So lazy we can lazy a lazy stored property by return the lazy modifier before its declaration. So lazy var, and if it is student of student, we can create a lambda, and we can access of command X, we can return, and lazy syntax is calling. So we can is lazy. Can is lazy property. What is lazy? A lazy stored property is property whose initial value is not calculated. Whose initial value is not calculated until the first time it's used. You indicate the lazy stored property. We can run, and not calling is stored. It's a lazy student. We can calling. So it's a lib dot students. Lib dot student. We can calling of student hello Swift. We can another calling, and we can change this lib dot student equal to empty. So we can is empty. And we can lib dot student we can change the name apple. We can lib dot student, we can calling lib dot student, we can change this apple. We can change this. So lazy stored property we can use most beneficial use of Swift language and of use of language. So lazy stored property we can access of lazy is until one screen is loaded, and another screen is until loaded. Thank you for watching this video. We can enjoy this great video.